InterNACHI and IAC2 are in about 5,000 Home Depots all around the country. Go to your local Home Depot this week, if it's open, and look for the radon and mold testing kits with the InterNACHI and IAC2 logos on them. They're in every store. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not 5,000, it's 50,000. 50,000 stores. So if you're a member of InterNACHI, you're in 50,000 stores. If you're a member of IAC2, that's a free program, you're in every Home Depot. And on the back of the test kit, it says right there, is a Pro Lab mold test kit. And go to inspectorseek.com, that's InterNACHI search engine, and hire an IAC2 or InterNACHI home inspector. And IAC2 looks like that. So join InterNACHI and join IAC2 and be present in over 50,000 Home Depot stores.